Hello everyone, so we will continue our DAX topic, and in this particular video we are going to learn about the calculate function in a DAX. It is an important function and most of the time actually we use this function, so let's understand. So I have got one requirement. Based on the requirement, let's understand this. What actually my business is saying, like we need to find the total sales between the 1st of April 2019 to the 15th of April 2019. What I have to do in my table, if you see, I have a sales column. If I'll do sum of total sales, if I'll do sum of sales, then what I will get? I'll get the total sales. I'll get the total sales. But here requirement is like I had to get the data between the 1st of April to the 15th of April. Means I have to only get the sum of sales between the 1st of April to the 15th of April on 2019. So this is a requirement. So in this case you can see, right, I have to apply some condition. So that only I will get the result for the 1st of April to the 15th of April. Means I have to filter a data here. So for that, what actually we'll use a calculate function. When actually we use a calculate, whenever you have to derive something, whenever you have to calculate something, some expression you have to derive, then we use a calculate DAX function. In the calculate, what we have to pass? First you have to write calculate, and after that you have to, suppose here we have to find out the sum of sales, right? So we'll write sum of sales, and after that whatever the filter condition, right? So that filter condition we apply. So this filter is also one of the DAX. With the help of the filter condition, actually we try to filter a data. So let's see how actually we can do, and let's try to solve this. So I open my Power BI desktop. What I will do, I'll go into the report view, and here we are going to create a new measure. So click on the new measure, and here only we are going to write the DAX function. So what actually I am going to do, I am going to create a sum of sales measures that will indicate only the sales between the 2nd of April to the 15th of April. So that is the condition I am going to write. So how actually I can write? So for that I will write one calculate. Calculate is one of the function that actually I am going to use. In a calculate, what you want to calculate? So I want to calculate sum of sales, sum of order sales. This I want to calculate, that I will mention. So I am using a calculate function. After in a calculate, what actually I want to find out? I want to find out the order sales, but based on certain condition, right? So I have to write a filter condition. So I will use a filter, and here in the filter we have to pass this, we have to close also. So what I am doing, sum of order says this I want to calculate based on the certain filter condition. So what is the filter condition? So orders date. So in a filter, first you have to pass the what is a table. So our table is order table, right? So we will use orders, comma, based on the condition. So I want to apply a condition on the order date. So this is the order date. Order date should be a greater than which particular date? It should be greater than the 1st of April. Let's understand. So what I will use, if you have to derive any date, so use a date, and under that you can pass a specific date. Suppose 2019 4/1. So this will indicate the 1st of April. What actually I am writing, order date should be a greater than the 1st of April. So that is my condition. That is my condition. I want to apply another condition. So I will write a filter, and here first you have to pass the table, and here what I will write, order date should be less than of 16th of April. Order date should be a less than of which particular date? So for that I will use a date 16th of April 2019 4 and the 16, double close. Now this is how we'll calculate. So what actually we are using a calculate to calculate the sum of sales, but based on the certain condition, right? So I will use a filter. In a filter we have to first pass the table name. Our table name is order table. From order table, what I want to filter, I want to filter a order date should be a greater than the 1st of April. I will write another filter condition, order date should be a less than of 16th of April. So this is the condition I am writing. If I'll enter this, the name is already in use. So what I will do, we'll change this name, sum of sales something I will write. if I'll enter this, one column, one measures will be created. One measures will be created that we have to find out. You can see sum of sales it got created. This is the sum of sales got created. Now if you want to see any visual, so what I will use here, I will use one of the visual. Suppose this card I want to use. In the card, if I want to show sum of sales, so this will tell me what is the total sales between the between the 2nd of April to the 15th of April. From a, because we are saying a greater than the 1st of April, right? It means the condition is between the 2nd of April to the till 15th of April. So this is the sales actually it is showing. So calculate is an important function. With the help of that, any derivation we can derive, and for that we have to write certain filter condition. So I hope you got the idea. Please do practice, it's important.